This is an update on the moisture sensor project. We pretty much failed. Originally, I just had this simple thing. I explained it before, how the hacked 1 volt ADC, if you tried to step down the 3 volt output from this thing, Jesus. You're cool, bro. Anyway, yeah, so this thing failed. It sucks. It was just like a single cell lipo. I mean, this thing still sucks in general. The ideal case, I bought these super caps, you know, and I got a single cell or a coin cell thing. You can power the ESP that way, deep sleep, like it'll last for a while. Anyway, the plan was, you know, the ESP would operate on its own and turn on the big circuit, because I wanted to be able to have 8 of these moisture sensors. You know, I could just plug them into random pots of plants, and then it would cycle through them, measure them all. And this circuit over here, which I got help from All About Circuits to make, I mean, they pretty much made it for me, because I was like, help me! And I struggled to figure out how to make this thing. But yeah, it takes the 3 volt signal from here, GPIO high, digital write, and it turns on a bigger voltage, like 5 volts for this guy over here, because the sensors need well, they don't need, they operate like 3.3 volts or something, but I get an external like 2S pack that's stepped down to 5 volts. That part sucks because that's a continuous drain thing too, but anyway, the thing works. Like, the output turns the secondary circuit on. I can provide details on this. I'll throw up the picture of the breakdown. But the problem is the TX and RX connection between the two, like ESP and the Seeeduino. The boot gets messed up, particularly on the Seeeduino, because it like steals power through the TX and RX lines. I don't like have the exact explanation why, but yeah. And I was looking around, like I tried to think about doing it through I2C and I2C, and that doesn't work either, because it's using all 2 of the GPIO pins on the ESP-01. So and I need one of them to turn the circuit on that powers the bigger circuit. So I don't know, it sucks. I really wanted something, so I'll probably just permanently power the moisture sensor through a socket. It sucks, but you know, it's like a IoT garden thing with growth lamps, so it's like it'll have power anyway. But yeah, that's where that is. Failure. It was a good learning experience though, because I've never worked with like MOSFETs before. P channel and N channel, and then the BJT transistors and all that. So I have like so many parts. I was trying to get this thing to work, and yeah, it just ended up not. It's tragic.